Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals loading screen. If Marvel Rivals is stuck on the loading screen, try these steps to fix it. First, move the game to your C drive, preferably an SSD, as some players have found this helps. To do this on Steam, go to Steam, then Settings and select Storage. Add a library on the C drive. Then move the game folder through Properties, then Installed Files and choose Move Install Folder. Next, adjust in-game display settings by turning off AMD FSR 3 frame generation, setting an FPS limit, and enabling VSync, as these changes may help with loading issues. Then verify the game files to fix any missing or corrupted files. On Steam, right-click the game, select Properties, choose Installed Files, and verify the integrity of the game files. If using Epic Games Launcher, click the three dots next to the game, go to Manage, and select Verify. These steps should help resolve the loading screen issue. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.